Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying a new recipe, and I'm going to be using zucchini when making my chaffles. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to put 2 eggs in the bowl. Okay, so I do have my little chaffle machine on over here, so let that get nice and hot. And what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna wash the zucchini and then I'm gonna grate it. All right, so I'm gonna leave the skin on because that doesn't bother me at all. Just cut off the little tip, and I'm gonna start grating just enough, just until I feel that it's enough, guys. So let's see how much we do here. So now this is what I use the chaffles for. The chaffles, okay, I'm gonna make as many as this allows me to make, and I use them in place of the bread. I happen to like that, guys, so whether or not I was low carb, I would be making it anyway. So that's why I said season this how you like, because the zucchini really doesn't have any flavor in the egg unless you're putting salt and pepper on it. It doesn't really have a taste, so make sure and season it well. And then you're going to make as many chaffles as I call them chaffles, so that's what they're called, chaffles, and you want to make as many as you can. Now, if you get a lot out of them, you can go ahead and freeze them and then just use it as you need to, and use the toaster. And it's just like so good. And all it's doing is replacing the bread item. All right, so I do like onions, and we are going to be using some mozzarella cheese. All right, so let me get 2 slices out of this, and then I'll go ahead and chop that. Okay, we'll put this in here. Okay. Now we are going to be adding mozzarella cheese, and you notice how all the items that I'm adding don't really have a lot of flavor, really, except for the onion. So we're going to go ahead, place some mozzarella cheese. Remember, all of these things are all binding, so it helps to keep these chaffles together. So we're just going to do 1 handful. Well, I may as well use it all. So we're going to use some salt, pepper, and I am going to be generous with it because, like I said, it doesn't have any flavor here in these 2 items. I'm only going to be using salt and pepper. I decided not to go ahead and add any more. Let's see. Alright, so I broke up everything. We're going to mix this up really well. Now, you know what? What I can do, instead of using the chopper, guys, I'm going to go ahead and use this pan. So let me move this over here. You know, suddenly I just always decide to change what I am doing, only because the chaffle is very small. It's going to take me time to make it, so I can just go ahead and do it in a pan. Let's go this way. And this way it allows me to use the butter. It'll be a little bit hard to use the butter. Doesn't this look delicious, guys? Can't wait to this comes out. Alright, so I'm gonna wait and give this a minute and we'll be back. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Okay, let me give that a minute. Okay, so let me show you what's happening here. So these are the two that I made in the pan, and they look okay to eat. I just think they're a little bit on the thin side. I can't wait to try them though, because I love zucchini. Now, I just cooked these 2 pieces of bacon. This is what a chaffle looks like, and it's thick enough that you can stick it in the toaster. So I have one more that I have in here. I just kind of switched up because of the way it was coming out. So then here is the 3rd one. And so this is what it looks like. So you would use this in place of bread if you were making a sandwich, or you can go ahead and eat them just like that. But I would use this as bread because it fits in the toaster if I wanted it more firm. And then this I would eat if I just wanted it on a plate, maybe put 2 eggs over it, however you choose to eat it, guys. So this is what I did with the chaffle machine, and so this is what the dish looks like, guys. At least I showed you 2 versions, so I kind of tried it out with you guys. And of course it does have some chunks of onion and stuff in there. It does have the mozzarella cheese, and it just is amazing, guys. So when I don't want to have any carbs, I want to cut down on one of the meals with the carbs, then this is what I would use, the chaffles. And then this way is good as well. It just depends on what I want to eat with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.